Hi everybody, today is gonna be our video class because sometimes I found video class a lot faster than the normal class, but the thing that I have normal class before is to show you how to work around with the fundamental concept of this application. Let me show you what the application that we are working on. So this is the weather application that we get the data from Open Weather Map API. So the number shows the temperature of the Bangkok location since we have put the Bangkok as a fixed city right now. This video is going to show you how to change the rain to the weather information come from the API as well as the image. Okay, let's get started. You can continue from the same project that you have been using before since last 2 weeks. So what to start? So we may need to start with the data that we get from the API. Okay, so this is the download weather details inside currentweather.swift. Scroll down, you see this method called alarmify to get the data using Ajax call. Okay, and then we pass the data. We pass the data and get the name inside that from the API. Let me switch to the API. This is the JSON data. Scroll down, I'm gonna see the name, and this is Bangkok. This is the data that we were looking for. Okay, next I was looking for the current temperature. Okay, so inside current temperature I get the main. Okay, the main data. So you're gonna see this one I use the dict main, and inside the main I can see the object, right? The object is basically dictionary, so I can put dictionary of the key string. The value can be any object, so that's why I put key string value any object. Then I get the temperature using the temp key. Let's switch back. This is a temp key. However, the temp information is in Kelvin unit, so I make a little bit of math calculation to convert from temperature to Kelvin to Celsius and round it down and put it inside current temp variable. Please note that city name and current temp variables belongs to the class current weather. We wrap the data into the class object so that whether we see as a view controller can use it through this variable, current weather variable. Okay, inside view did load, you see we call download weather detail, which this method we use alarmify to get the data from the internet. After successfully getting the data, completely getting the data, it goes and called update UI. Okay, this is update UI, and I want to put city name that get from the object of current weather added into location label. Location label is basically linked to this label, this one, Bangkok label. Then we get the current temperature, put it into current temp label, which is this one. First of all, let's put the rain. Okay, get the data and change the rain from the to be the newest data from the API. Okay, where the data that we are going to get? Yes, this is. So you're gonna see weather data. Okay, so which means we need to get the weather data. Open up current weather. Scroll down. After this if bracket, scroll down and if let weather. So actually it can be any name equal to dict and then this one weather. All right, as. So when you want to check that the data is in the format that you are willing to have or not, you have to know what kind of that type. So this weather data is in array of dictionary of the key string and the value any data type. So you need to put array first. Array of dictionary, my bad, array of dictionary of string and any object. Why it doesn't pop up? Okay, array of any object. Okay, so when you do like this, you're gonna get the this data. Okay, this data is in dictionary, and you are willing to get the main. Okay, if let whether type equal to whether, whether come from this, okay, whether 0, okay, because you need the first data, this is the first element and the main, so it's going to be two-dimensional array main. As what kind of type you are willing to have, you want to have string data type, this one's the cloud, so it must be string. Good. What you want to do now is to add weather type. Okay, add weather type into your class variable, which is underscore data type, weather type. Good. Then you need to go to weather VC and update your UI. So what's your UI then? It is current weather type label. Copy it up and dot text equal to current weather dot what it is, not city name, not weather type. Okay, let's run it. It should change rain to cloud. Bang. Clear, sorry. So right now it changed rain to clear. It was cloud before and it changed to clear now. Good. Okay. Next, image, right? You want the image to show it up here. All right. Okay, let's see you in the next section how to add the image. Stop.